Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am, you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward business, beauty, health, and empowerment. Today we have a beauty video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this nice cute little braid out situation going on. So if you want to do a braid out or you want to see me do a braid out, keep watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and if you want to see how I wash my hair, then I will have that video down in the description box below. So I'm going to start off using Cream of Nature's Coconut Milk Moisture Curl Hair Milk, and I just take a few pumps of that and apply that to a section of my hair. Now I'm going in with the Hydrating Curling Cream. And lastly, I'm just going in with the Essential 7 Treatment Oil, and I just apply that just like I did both of the creams. After I get done applying all of that to my hair, I just go in with my wide tooth comb and comb from the bottom to the root of my hair. And then I go in with my tangle teaser, and I know that I sped this up for the video, but this took me a long time, so just really make sure you detangle your hair so that there are no tangles whatsoever. But I just split my hair into 2 sections. So my hair was in 4 sections, and I just split each section into 2 sections to create 2 braids. So this is the first braid. And when I finally reach the end, I just cut off any scraggly piece that I see, so you don't have to cut off too much. And you can see how curly it is now. There are no scraggly pieces now that I've clipped my ends. And I just go in with the medium-sized perm rod and roll my hair up to the desired length. Since I've already applied product to this back section, I just go in with my tangle teaser and then begin braiding. So now I just repeat those same exact steps on the front section of my hair. When I finally get to the end, I'm just going to go back in with that oil and just really make sure my scalp is saturated and moisturized. And massage it into your scalp for as long as you need to. So this is about 3 days later. I braided my hair up on a Friday, and this is a Monday afternoon. So I'm just taking my hair down, and it is completely dry, and I just apply a little bit of oil to my hair before I take it down. And then I just begin unbraiding my hair, and you can do this however you want. I started by just like unbraiding a little bit, and then I use my nails. And my hair is super defined and it felt really soft, so I was kind of happy because my hair had been feeling dry for so long, which is why I needed to cut my ends and just, you know, apply all these products. So I was really happy. They seemed to work and they really seemed to moisturize my hair. And I'm just separating my curls now, so when you do this, you just want to make sure that you're separating where it naturally separates. So don't force any separation because that can cause frizz or damage. But I'm just going to separate all around my head. This is how my hair looks when I get done taking down all of my braids. And now I'm just going to go in with my pick, and I just pick my roots out. I do have a video on how I pick my hair, and that will be in the description box below. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at XO_Romani, and I'll see you guys next time.